If only you could do it as Zora. Stop, man. How does one Greenlock Corp before they Greenlock Zora? Hello? Motherfucker, man. Unbelievable. Oh, I need to play range. Go, Blicky, go. I'm going back to Zora, though, soon. I want to go back. Because, like, listen. I'm 10,000 KC right now. If I do another 10,000 KC, it's kind of inevitable that I greenlog it. Or at least get one of the two mutagens. So, it's pretty motivating. It's the biggest copium ever. But I just want to go back, man. I love Zora. Just one of them bosses. Stand next to the wall. To the window. Why is your name E-Girl Pot Vest? Oh my god. Unbelievable. They never jump if everyone's next to a wall? Really? I didn't know that. 800 KC, by the way. Bro, I am the biggest champion ever. What is this gear? What is that? Oh, I don't know how to do vanguards. Obi jumps. That's ridiculous, man. My next best gear... Wait. Yeah, my next best gear is fucking... I think it's Inquisitor. But I'm not gonna do Nightmare. For now. Come click one? Why? Should I? Doesn't matter which one. Just get this one. It's free? Okay. Bet. Wait! Why am I nearly dead? No! Hello? I don't know how vanguards work, man. I've never done vanguards. I think you're supposed to pray... Mage? No, this one's... I don't know. Fuck it. Come kill me, big boy. No! Don't kill me. No! Stop! Muppet. Stop laughing. Get him. Okay. 800 KC? Stop, man. It's ridiculous. Bro, I've never done Vespula. Ever. That's wild to me. And I'm not gonna start now, by the way. You guys can go ahead and attack it. Kill it. You click Porto and click food. Lol lol lol. Really? All on leagues, yeah. Fine, I'll attack. I'll attack. Wait, let me check the... Wait. Bosses... Chambers of... That's 29? Never mind. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. Stand front row, pray melee. Okay. Bet. Okay, I'm gonna play different music. Oh, for fuck's sake. Why am I getting ads? Is anyone else getting ads? 40 seconds? Giga hekel aan jou. Slit. I can't say that. Shit. Okay, we gotta wait 40 seconds. Premium enjoyer? Why do you have premium? It's expensive. Alright, we gotta wait. It's so weird. Watch on TV in bed. How much are you paying? per month. I can get 2 months for free, apparently. I got a notification yesterday on YouTube. Well, yeah, where else? Spotify? Okay, please, no more ads. No more ads, get it? More ad. Nope. Okay. Music? There we go. I don't know what I pay, I don't care. Okay. Alright. I like that. Daddy? Sugar daddy? Migas, I thought you just died. No agility? Lol lol lol. Oh, Genotskrots can do it. I mean, Endeleu. Genotsknots. Fellow Guardian enjoyer. Who enjoy? I kind of regret picking. What am I doing? MSY, I did it. It's a pretty chill grind. You just can't let your guard down. Now you have to pay attention at all times. I think I only got chance twice though in 2400 kills. Well, 2361. Honestly though, I wouldn't be able to do the amount of kills that I've done off stream. It really helped doing all of them on stream. I did every single kill on stream. Off stream killing corpse sounds boring as fuck. Nah, the stream really helped. I don't know how they put up with me, but I'll put up with the content. Did I mess this up? Sorry, I messed it up. Sounds awful? Yeah, for real. For real. But yeah, I loved it. Somehow, I ended up being the only person with 3 completed shields. No, with a green log, I mean. I think I was the second person with all 3 shields. And the first and now only hardcore with a green log. Which is pretty, it's pretty amazing. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna leech, Endelio. Look at us, man. We're so cute. What the hell? Do you remember if Lowell got all 3? I don't remember. I don't remember, sadly. I miss Lowell, man. Lowell was fun to watch. He's a good streamer. I know for sure Ellie and Arcane. I know quite a few streamers / people who were 2 out of 3. Bodhi, Arcane and Ellie, I believe. Mutz is now... Mutz needs Arcane now for Greenlog as well. Mutz just needs Arcane. Mutz has Ellie and Spectral, and there's like there's like a bunch who are just 2 out of 3. I know the rank 2 or rank 3 corp, Siroren, whatever his name is, he needs the jar for Greenlog. I think. Suppression. Yeah, so when I got the Ellie, I was like, okay, I'm done with Corp now. I'm completely done. And then I somehow decided that I want to, try and go for Greenlog, try and go for the pet. Which is kind of insane, because it's 1 in 5,000 on a hardcore, on an Ironman. It's questionable. But, hey, it worked out. Somehow. Sick accomplishment? I'd like to think so, yeah. Yeah, I'm proud. It was a fun grind. If only you could do it with Zora. Stop, man. How does one Greenlock Corp before they Greenlock Zora? Hello? Motherfucker, man. Unbelievable. Oh, I need to pre-range. Go, Blicky, go.